Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel, we're looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will talk about Gilead Sciences Incorporated, traded at Nasdaq, ticker name GILD. Well, Gilead Sciences, of course, is showing really nice behavior from the beginning of the year. You can see it is actually recovering. If you look at the bigger scale, it's finishing the recovery cycle that started from the beginning of the year after the decline that was taking place from mid-July from previous year. Still didn't completely recover, but almost there. And that, of course, calls a lot of questions. What's next? Because if you look here carefully, you can see a clear formation of triangle. And then the question is, will it really resolve positively? So you see, very nicely confirmed. Now, if you look a little bit at bigger scale and here, so it's converging. The question is, what will happen at the convergence? In general, should go higher, so we would expect spike, but also the spike could be a bit, let's say, tricky, because here we have not completely one line, or not exactly one line, but actually a range of kind of resists from 75, let's say, to 80, where the price still might volatile and we might descend from there. But before that, it should be overall quite positive. So therefore, the way we would trade here, the way we would advise trading here would also be, let's say, within these expectations and within these limits. Therefore, that's how we can trade and buy. So I will again demagnify, magnify, so we can see how to buy through. First of all, also before going again to levels, we also need to note that at the moment company is in so-called stable growth regime. What does it mean? It means that free moving averages are again evolving and price is actually jumping on top. What does it mean? It means when you have a price and then you have moving average 20, 50, and 200 showing aligned like this, and moving average 20 is used all the time as kind of support from where the price bounces, and this is indeed the case. And all three moving averages are going up. This is kind of stable growth regime. Until this is the case, you can actually sit in the company and grow with it. But once this will be broken, you need to reconsider your portfolio or exit temporarily or do something. And as I said, it still will be okay until we reach the area of 75, because from there something might be starting. And we are already at around 65, 68, 75. So it's not that far, let's say. It's just in the vicinity of 10 to 15%. That's why the profit taking also here would be quite moderate. It will be 10 to 15%, more close to 15%, I would say, not being too greedy and taking it once possible. And with this being said, now we can talk about levels. And speaking of levels, of course, the very first level would be just buying already inside of this converging triangle, which will be exactly between 68.04 and 69.80. So this will be our first so-called technical primary technical call out. So the level where we expect very let's say most obvious scenario from technical point of view to evolve. So this is the level to buy in, and then you can wait to make 10 to 15% profit. As I said, mid-term, if you're a bit longer term than daily, it would be up to the range 75-80, but if you are, let's say, quicker trader, you could wait just 10 to 15% to make the profit here. Then, if this very rare but might be happening, if this converging triangle will actually break down, then we need to wait for the next support line to buy through. And of course, the next support line will be here in the vicinity of moving average 200. Also confirmed by the price action that was taking place by end of December of previous year. And the top of it will be here, also developed by, let's say, beginning of April and August of this year. This will make for us a second level to buy through, and this will be 63.13 to 65.44. So this will be second technical level where you can pick up the price And if it will be going there, we can buy more, let's say, averaging down. So this would be our second call out. Let's write it 63.13 and 65.44. So this is the second technical level, second technical pattern where you can buy, expecting rebounds, and then once rebounds is taking place, of course, you can sell at the 10 to 15% profit. And we always speak about the third level. Usually we keep third level for so-called risk mitigation due to negative catalyst. And this is not the level that we expect, because usually we expect first two levels that are technical. And the third level is just the money we keep to buy if some kind of doomsday scenario is taking place with respect to company-related news, global news, or sector-related news. And here, of course, it means that we just need to wait for these levels and keep just some funds to buy there, not expecting it at all to happen, which will be between 55.50 and 57.45. This is just kind of a reserve funds that we always keep according to actually our model of trading, and in our advice videos or opinion videos, we always talk about these third levels, which are just risk mitigation. So these are three levels to buy through. At any rebounds, once you have 10 to 15% profit, it's really advised to sell with the profit. Don't wait, don't hesitate, take your profit always. Never hesitate taking the profit. And again, how to buy through the last one. Here it's still classical, so we would advise 5-portion play. What does it mean? It means that money you would like to play here, you can split in 5 portions. Then you can buy with 1 portion in the first level, with 2 portions in the second level if you go there. And we just keep remaining 2 portions for any kind of doomsday scenario behavior. So to buy if needed at the third level. With this being said, that's actually all for Gilead Sciences. As I said again at the beginning, just to repeat, till 75 should be going well, maybe with some spikes, meaning the narrowing of this converging dark triangle should resolve somehow. But if it will be breaking, you know how to buy through. So overall, quite safe trade here in any case. Good luck with this one. If you like this way of analysis, where, as you have noted, we don't talk about stop loss, we just look at the principal levels based on daily candles. We are okay to wait a little bit to make the profit without going stop loss and keeping some funds to average down lower. If you like this way of trading, quite safe. Actually, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, press the bell button. This way you will not miss our new videos and new interesting discussions for US-based stocks. With this being said, good luck and see you at another episode of Stocks Advisors channel.